Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we decode the secrets hidden within company filings to give you the real story. Today we are diving into an updated report from Rocket Companies Incorporated, and let me tell you, this amendment brings some significant news to light, so stick around to find out what it is. Before we jump in, if you like getting straight to the point insights from these dense corporate documents, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Also, be sure to join our growing community on Discord. It's linked in the description below. We have some really interesting chats going on there. So what we have here is an amendment to a previous filing, an 8K report, which typically announces major corporate events. This particular filing is a Form 8K/A, meaning it is an amendment and they are updating information that was originally reported on the 1st of October 2025. The big news is that on the 1st of October 2025, Rocket Companies Incorporated completed a major acquisition. They bought Mr. Cooper Group Incorporated, a Delaware corporation. This was a pretty big deal structured as a merger. Essentially, a subsidiary of Rocket Companies merged with Mr. Cooper, and then Mr. Cooper merged with another Rocket Companies subsidiary. This means Mr. Cooper is now a wholly owned subsidiary of Rocket Incorporated, and the price tag for this acquisition was a significant issuance of Rocket Companies Class A common stock. They handed over 705205413 shares of their stock to Mr. Cooper S stockholders. That is a lot of stock and a clear signal of how much they valued this acquisition. For context, Rocket Companies Incorporated offers Class A common stock, and it is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol RKT. Now, this amendment is specifically to provide the pro forma financial information. Pro forma means that the financial statements are presented as if the acquisition had already happened at an earlier date. It allows investors to see what the combined company would have looked like financially before the actual acquisition date. They had promised this information shortly after the original filing, and this document delivers it. The core of this amendment, the newly filed financial information, includes the unaudited pro forma condensed combined balance sheet as of the 30th of June 2025 and statements of income for the 6 months ending the 30th of June 2025 and for the full year 2024. These are crucial for understanding the financial health and potential of the newly combined entity. While the full detailed financials are presented as an exhibit, we can get a good sense of the impact by looking at the context of this merger. Acquiring another company of Mr. Cooper, a scale, is a bold move. It could significantly expand Rocket Company's market share, particularly in the mortgage servicing sector, given Mr. Cooper's business. This merger likely aims to create a more robust platform, a company with greater reach and possibly better economies of scale. However, bringing together two large companies also comes with challenges, like integrating systems and cultures, and ensuring that the promised synergies are actually realized. The pro forma financial statements here are essential. They show us a hypothetical scenario combining the financial positions and performance of both Rocket Companies and Mr. Cooper as if they were one entity for the periods presented. This is how investors and analysts assess the immediate financial implications of the deal before actual reported results fully reflect the combination. For Rocket Companies, this merger is a strategic play to strengthen its position in the financial services industry. It is an aggressive move that signals their ambition to grow significantly through an acquisition, rather than solely organic growth. The success of this merger will depend on how well the integration proceeds, and whether the combined entity can generate the expected returns for its shareholders. We will be watching closely to see how the actual financial results unfold in future reports. And the report is signed on behalf of Rocket Companies Incorporated by Noah Edwards, the Chief Accounting Officer, dated the 10th of October 2025. This is a standard procedural signature confirming the accuracy of the filings. Now let's look at this from a broader perspective. Rocket Companies is making a significant bet that combining forces with Mr. Cooper will create a stronger, more competitive entity. The sheer volume of stock issued suggests a substantial valuation for Mr. Cooper and a belief by Rocket's leadership that this merger will unlock significant value. This is a high-stakes maneuver in the competitive financial services landscape. The key question is whether the combined company can deliver on the promise of this merger. We need to watch their top-line growth, their profitability trends, and importantly, their debt levels after this large acquisition. Looking at the pro forma financials will be critical when they are released in full. Do the pro forma numbers show a healthy combined balance sheet? Are the projected revenues and earnings attractive compared to the cost of the acquisition? These are the questions that investors will be asking. The strategy here is clear growth through acquisition. It is a tactic that can accelerate expansion, but also carries inherent risks if the integration isn't T-smooth or if the market conditions change unfavorably. So what is our take on this filing? Rocket Companies is making a bold move to consolidate its position and expand its reach in the financial services market. This merger with Mr. Cooper Group is a major strategic shift. The success of this deal will hinge on effective integration and the realization of projected synergies. Investors should carefully examine the upcoming financial reports to see if the combined entity is delivering on its promise. While the ambition is commendable, the execution will be everything. Alright, that is our decode of Rocket Companies Incorporated's latest filing and amendment that sheds light on a significant acquisition. What are your thoughts on this merger? Are you excited or concerned about Rocket's strategic direction? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more dives into the world of corporate finance. And as always, don't forget to join us on Discord for ongoing discussions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.